Let's do this. Good Saturday, YouTubers. Willie here with my channel, and I thought I'd give you a special review on the ratchets and equipment that I use on a daily basis. Some are budget, some were on sale, and I'll go over why I like using them. Here's my babies. Each one is very specific to the job that I need. We got 1/4 inch basic T72 snap-on. We've got no name, tough gear, probably made in China. There's not even markings. There's no pride in the making of this one, but it's good for getting in tight areas. Then we got the THL X72, and it's longer. As you can see, it's got a locking mechanism is broke, but it has a locking swivel head. Great for getting in tight areas that you need to stretch for a little bit, getting a little bit of extra torque, just a bit. And then we got our super shallow 3/8. This here is the RAF80 from Snap-on, and it's just like really shallow. If you use the sockets that come with it, when I bought it, it was on sale. It had all the sockets for it. They're like super shallow too. You could stick a regular socket on here, but it kind of defeats the purpose. It literally makes the socket and the ratchet head the size of the socket that you would normally use, which is real nice. Some people use a pass-through, and that works. Here is my Wizard 3/8. It's very tough geared too. Wizard was a brand that is no longer in production. Western Auto Parts was where you used to pick it up, just like you pick up Duralast. This is a Snap-on FRL F80. Oh, I totally messed that up. This FRL F80, yes. It's got a push button like the old Craftsman's had. I personally enjoy it because it allows you to get the socket off quick and move on to the next job, just like my big fella back here. Right here I've got a grip that I've had for going on 8 years, and it's been a very good ratchet. There is no model number, just grip. Came with a socket set, chrome half drive, and here's my 3/8 FLL F80 Snap-on, and you see how much longer this is than the regular F80. Here you got this much length here, which really helps with torque. It's also built really beefy, and it's also built in reverse of the older pattern. You see, the concept is strength, but you know, I don't know. Then we got my good old SF80A, and I always wanted one of these, and I got it about 4 years ago when it was on sale. And it's great for checking your fluid level in your Eaton Fuller transmissions. And so really works great for that. And then my big boy back here, I got on sale with, originally it came with the one this replaced, and it came with one of these that ended up getting replaced. But that's why the rubber handle. I've never been the biggest fan of the plastic rubber handle, but it's a good ratchet, fine tooth, and with the push button feature makes it really easy for changing wheel seals, switching back and forth between your torque wrench and your long handlebar to loosen when you're trying to get that bearing seat. And so these are my ratchets. I use them here at the shop on a daily basis. And thank you for checking out my review. And have a good Saturday. As a final runner up, I've got this ratchet here. I use it as a home ratchet all the time. My brother got it for me for Christmas quite a while back. It's a Craftsman. It came with a set of spline sockets, and so far it's always been a real good ratchet to me. It's a little coarse, but yeah. And so my question is for you: do you have any ratchets? Any favorite ones you want to talk about? Well, feel free to bring them up in the comments below. If you like my reviews of tools, my Saturday reviews of tools, then uh, hit the old thumbs up. Let me know. And have a good day.